Hi everyone, I thought I'd do a quick review on the Smol, I think that's how you say it, cleaners. I literally just got these through the post, so I'll show you what the box looks like. These are basically refillable surface spray, so you get a glass, bathroom and a multi-surface, and basically the idea is, rather than going out buying plastic bottles all the time for different cleaners, you have these bottles for life and you literally just buy these little packs, and these are basically tablets, and this packaging is paper and recyclable. So these are little tablets that you put in the bottle, so the purple tablet and purple bottle, etc. There's green and there's the orange one, and basically you put these in the bottles and dissolve them, and when you need more, sorry about that, when you need more you basically can go online to the website and buy more refill packs. So this is a mixed spray refills, and you get, I think you get six different tablets. You get 3 of the multi-surface in this pack, you get 2 of them, I think you get 2 of the other ones as well. So yeah, that's the pack, and then it's all in recyclable packaging, it's all cardboard, there's instructions on how to fill them up. So yeah, it's like such a better way to use cleaners rather than having to go to the shop and just go through multiple bottles and then put them in the rubbish or in the recycling, because these bottles last for life and all you have to do is buy the refills. I will show you the bottles once they are filled up, and I will do a demo on how they clean, etc. I thought I'd show you guys what you actually get in the pack rather than trying to explain. So this refill pack is a mixed spray refills, and these are really good because it actually is child locked. So your child is going to really struggle to get into this, because I struggled to get into it. So this is a mixed spray and it's really hard to get into, so it's good for children. So in this one you actually get 3 multi-purpose even, 1 glass, and you actually get 2 bathroom. I would definitely go through the multi-purpose more than the other 2, or 3 even. So yeah, that's what you actually get in the pack, but you can actually get 6 of either, so you can get 6 of these, 6 of these, or 6 of these in their own packs, and these I think were £6 each per pack. Okay, so the instructions tell you to basically fill them up with water to this bottom band basically. So I'm going to add in the little tablets, that one in there, if it'll go in. Oh my god, it couldn't get in. Right, that's in. The green one for the bathroom, and the orange one is, that one's broke a little bit, for multi-purpose. And then you can basically see them all fizzing away. And then it says once they are fully dissolved to fill up with water over the band. So I'm going to let them dissolve, and then I'll come back and show you what colours they turn out to be and what they're like for cleaning. Okay guys, so I'm back with them filled up and in better lighting. So they do actually turn the colours of the tabs on the bottles. So yeah, I'm going to try out them all quickly, show you how they clean, etc. They all smell really nice, they all smell really fresh. They have got a different scent in each bottle. Yeah, they really do smell nice. I think the no, that one didn't, that one was not the best smell, but one of these ones, I think it was this one, smelled amazing. So yeah, I'm going to show you them cleaning wise, and then yeah, I'm going to sum it up for you. I've just sprayed the window with the glass cleaner ones. I'm going to give them a quick scrub down and tell you guys what it's like. Again, but then these glass cleaner, it does kind of fog up the window at first, then it does get better. So I'll come back to that one in a minute. Well, there's a window with a quick wipe. And lastly, I've got the, put it on, that would be helpful, multi-purpose one, and I'll quickly show you on here basically. So give that a good spray, get me same cloth. Again, that one smells really nice, it's kind of citrusy, brilliant, do really like it, it smells really nice, and yeah, it gives a good clean. So yeah, highly recommend. And yeah, basically my windows are basically fading, well, not fogging out now, they are kind of getting a lot cleaner. I don't know if you know what I mean, but basically when you spray a window with a glass cleaner, it does tend to, like, once you've sprayed it, go a bit foggy, but yeah, they've gone really clean. So yep, really recommend them too.